There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this 2017 Chevrolet Camaro LT in Summit White. With HID headlamps, electronic stability control, 18-inch aluminum wheels, brake assist, convertible top, LED tail lamps, front bucket seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 50,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, Sirius XM satellite radio, split folding rear seats, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 5883A.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.